In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have read-only access for both parties in Docusign. This is a great way to ensure that the document can be accessed by everyone involved without any accidental modifications. Managing permissions in Docusign is pivotal for both security and document integrity. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign homepage. If you're not familiar with Docusign, it's the #1 solution for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, widely used for its secure and efficient handling of documents. Make sure you're on the right site to begin this process. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one or reach out to someone in your organization who manages the Docusign accounts. After logging in successfully, proceed to the Docusign home. The interface here is quite user-friendly, but it can be helpful to familiarize yourself with the dashboard elements if it's your first time. From the Docusign home, you'll see a Start button. Clicking on this button will open up options for preparing and sending your documents. Next, direct your attention to the Needs to Sign option. This is crucial because it sets the first level of permissions for your recipients. When you select Needs to Sign, you're effectively enabling parties to sign the documents you provide. This step is often necessary, but for read-only access we need to adjust the permissions further. Now let's select Needs to View. This option makes the document read-only for the recipients. By choosing Needs to View, you're ensuring that the parties can only review the document without making any changes. This is especially useful if you need someone to evaluate the document's content without having the authority to alter it. Remember, understanding these options within Docusign empowers you to control who can see and edit your documents, maintaining both security and accountability. Ensuring that documents are read only when that's your intention is all about using the right settings, as we just covered. Docusign makes it simple and effective to manage electronic documents, and setting permissions correctly can save a lot of time and ensure the integrity of your document processes. Review the settings to confirm everything is correct before finalizing. And that's it, you've now successfully set up read-only access for both parties in Docusign. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to explore additional features in Docusign to further familiarize yourself with what it can do. Until next time, happy document managing.